Hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. So we're just getting started here on this excavation / demolition at in St. Charles, and we're going to have the shoring going across this area, and the next door neighbor has a foundation that's pretty old, so we're just going to video document, before we get started here, the foundation. And like you can see, there's some little cracks here, places where there's just been touch up. Like there's a crack right there next to that pole. We just want to document this before we get started. Some little cracks here in the masonry and the tuck pointing, if you will. We just kind of go down the wall and take a look at some stuff here that might kind of jump out, and the customer says, or the neighbor says, hey, this is an issue. Just covering ourselves. This is a nice area, nice home. Like here's a hole right here, kind of a little opening there. That stone kind of looks like it's got a little bit. Here's a hole, so we're over near the air conditioner. Let me back out. So there's the air conditioning. So we'll just kind of go down this wall. I think this would be the only thing that might get affected. Like here's some cracks here. So anyway, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. Just getting started on this excavation demolition here in St. Charles, and just want to make sure everything's good before we get started. Checking the neighbor's foundation, and just so that there wouldn't be any issue if they would come back later and say, hey, something happened with our foundation. We can have it ready to document. So thanks for watching. 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web, www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thanks.